TV.
So my mom's got the hiccups.
Bet she's got unusual hiccups, that's for sure.
Are we done?
Oh, come on. Babe, don't cover your face.
Excuse me.
Babe.
Pardon me.
Uncover your
Why does
face.
your mom have hiccups?
She ate habanero.
Chili.
Pardon me.